it's Melissa. In this video, we are going to unbox the Siser Romeo. That's the 24-inch cutter from Siser. It is the big sister, actually not the big sister. It's like the partner. The 12-inch Juliet, which I also have. But we're going to unbox the Siser Romeo today. So this comes in actually the one large box and then this smaller box. It will also come with a 24-inch vinyl roll holder. This one didn't come with it in the box, but soon it will. So I'll still get it with this. You just have to register your machine and then they'll automatically send it. Once production kind of ramps up, they're going to include it in the box with it. So you'll get it all at once. Okay. All right. So let's get this out of the box, see what it looks like, see what's included, and we'll get going. So this, I am really hoping that given the smaller format Siser Juliet, which is a really fast, quiet cutter, I'm hoping that the Romeo is equally, because I'm not honestly a huge fan of the other 24-inch cutters on the market in this price range. But this one's $6.99. The Silhouette Pro is basically the only competitor in the price range on the market. It has some issues though with the rollers and holding the material, and so I'm really hopeful that the Romeo doesn't have those same issues, and that'll be a really good option for people looking for a relatively low cost 24-inch cutter. Kind of spans the craft to you know, small business needs. This runs just like the Juliet. It runs on Siser's Leonardo Design Studio, which is also included. So I'm gonna, whoops, take this whole thing out of the box here. Don't you love an unboxing when the thing is bigger than me? It's a little challenging. Maybe should have done this part before I got on camera here. But what fun is that when there's no struggle? This could be its own blooper reel. I just need to get that other tab out from under. Okay, now, there we go. There we go. Woo! Well, it's packed well. Okay, here we go. Now, goodness. Whoopsie. My husband said, why don't you untape it before you start on here? Why would I do that? Okay, we're getting there. My goodness. Oh my. They really tape this thing. I'm telling you. Okay, jeez. All right, so just like the Juliet comes with, this is all like the cords and everything. And then you've got packing material. We'll just throw over there. Cutting mat, 12-inch cutting mat, 24-inch cutter. Just heads up on that. And that's it. Woo! Well, that was a challenge. All right, let's get this all. Might help if you had a friend help you with this rather than trying to do this on your own. Okay, so obviously you want to make sure that you remove all of the packing, and there's a bunch of packing on this that I'm going to make sure I point out to you. The one thing that you'll really notice with this is the quality of the material used is very good. It's not a heavy machine, but it feels very sturdy. Okay, you can feel the quality in there. Okay, so you've got packing around the blade carriage. Okay, you also have packing on the back here that you're going to need to remove. This is the adjust the rolls, the roll feet holders. Okay, and then there's a film over this which you can pull off of there. And there is sometimes one more little thing. It looks pretty good. Okay, so let's check what's in this box here. All right, so there's actually 3 different boxes within this box. So you've got power cord. You've got, I think this is the power, yeah. Second part of the power cord. These obviously connect together, these two, and then plug into the machine. Then you've got USB and your blades. Okay, this is, if you're familiar with the CB09 blade, this is similar to that. Comes with 3 different blade angles, okay, and an adapter, I think that's for a pen, and then the blade itself, USB, and then it comes with a little user manual, okay? Lots of easy ways to get started, so you'll be able to understand how to use everything, including the control panel. Okay, and then we have this other box over here. Oh, we talked about the mat. Comes with this cutting mat. Okay. All right. Let's check out what's in this box, because I really don't know what they sent me. Oh, they did send me a roll feeder. I told them that they didn't. Okay, here's the roll feeder. I was really not expecting that the roll feeder was going to be this small and compact. That's actually really awesome. When you're trying to store a machine that's this big, if you also have a roll feeder, which I was expecting to be almost equally as large, that's a lot to kind of have to store. So this is the roll feeder. It will go directly in front, and you can see it has little wheels on there, so it supports a large roll, but also will allow it to freely roll into the machine. So that's great. So I actually do have everything that came with this, and obviously, like I said, this runs on the Leonardo Design Studio, which I actually already have installed on my computer. If you're looking for videos on how to install Leonardo, if you're looking on videos on how to use the blade, they're all the same as the Juliet, which I have videos on those as well, so I'll link to. If you're looking to, for how to get started, your first cut, again, videos on that as well. So I would love to see what you guys think, what you're making with your Siser Romeo and your Siser Juliet. And of course, if you have questions, feel free to leave any comments. Make sure you subscribe to the Silhouette School YouTube, and of course I'll be adding more and more content on Silhouette U, not just about Silhouette. We also cover other machines and other softwares. So hope to see you guys around.